Today is such an exciting day. I am finally surprising my entire family, which I've been planning for 2 months. I am flying to Australia for Christmas. This is my most exciting Christmas, my most exciting trip, my exciting flight that I've ever taken. No one knows that I'm coming. I've got 4 flights to get there, so I'm going from London to Capella, middle country town in the middle of Australia. I haven't seen my family for over 500 days, so nearly a year and a half, and I miss them so much. They all think I'm going to Austria and having a white snowy Christmas, but I'm not. I'm going. I'm going to have a summer Christmas. I'm heading home. Let's go surprise them. No. دائرة البيت كافة طلباتكم لجعل رحلتكم معنا اليوم أكثر راحة. Halfway through my long stopover in Abu Dhabi, all the flights leaving here are really delayed. Like hours and hours and hours and hours of delayed. My flight isn't delayed because my flights in Sydney aren't connecting and I didn't get insurance, so I miss them. We have to like fork them out, I guess. I don't know. Only like 3 more flights to go. So I have landed in Sydney after it's been very emotional. It's so exciting, I can't wait. It feels so good to be home. You can smell the difference, you can feel the difference. I'm going to be sweating as I've got like winter clothes on, but I'm so excited. No one knows yet. I just put up the photo from me and Kira and I tagged like the location for Innsbruck, Austria. So hopefully Mum sees that and thinks I'm in Austria. Oh, I'm so excited. Less than like 24 hours and I'll be with my entire family. I'm so excited. But just gonna go fly to Brisbane now and then fly to Emerald. So 2 more flights. 2 flights down, 2 flights to go. Both of those last flights are delayed, so I was really stressing about this, but I've made it, so I'm so excited. Alright, let's go. 3 flights down, 1 to go. Finally in Queensland. Got off the flight in Emerald and Sophie picked me up. I was like tossing and turning like, do I come today or do I do Christmas Day? Because it's still New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve. And I really wanted to do Christmas Day, but then I spoke to my family and they sent me Snapchats and I was just like, oh, screw it, let's come tonight. So I'm gonna go surprise them all. I think they're all at the house just having like a barbecue and stuff, so they have no idea. I just called them and pretended I was in Austria and that it was like morning and it was snowing and it was cold. I got some Northerns because a few weeks ago on Facebook my brother was like, why are you not coming for Christmas and having a Northern with us? So I got some Northerns, and Phil just on the phone before said, if you really liked us, if you really cared, you'd be here. And I was like, ha. Well, I do care, I am here, so I'm gonna walk in and be like, I care. This is my street. Oh, we have no idea. There's no cars out the front. This is weird. You could pull in. I'm guessing, keep driving. I'm guessing these people, there's no one living here, so just pull into this driveway.
This one here?
Yeah. Okay, so there's my car. Okay, so everyone must be parked out the side. Okay, so that's the house.
You just put chucking some stuff in the bin. And just stay there. I'm walking so quick. And I'm not up yet.
So they should all be just around here. Yes, who cares? Oh, no way! What the hell? Oh my god! Hey! You guys!
Hello, how are you? I'm Sophie.
What are you doing? You're not leaving. You're not leaving.
Not yet. How long you home for? Good. Hey Riley.
Holy
You
shit.
nearly ruined it. You nearly seen I was hiding behind the.
Yeah, I was like, it's not. I'm like, I'm shooting arrows. I'm not coming over.
Hey Grandma. How did you? Lazy me. Do I get a cuddle? I need Daddy.
How the hell can you afford to get back here?
I can't. I'm broke. How did you do it? What happened to Austria? Yeah, nah, it's Austria. Australia.
Wow. Cheers, Jazz. Cheers, Jazz. For sure you should have stayed in Austria, man. Back in Calla. What are you doing?
We got some more. We got this little one.
I'm staying out of here. Right, hold the cup. Phil's got a whole lot. Oh, Mum. Jade will send you some, Mum. Jade will send you some. Go on. Well, I tell you what, my grandfather had a good night.
You heard Macy.
So it's the next day after surprising everyone yesterday. Oh my goodness, it was the most special day. No one had any idea. Everyone was like, oh my god, we were just talking about you in Austria. It's actually Christmas morning. It's like 6 a.m. I've been up since 5:30-ish. And it's so nice to be back home. Perfect day for Christmas. I'm so excited to spend it with my family. But I'm still hiding it from my dad. So I'm trying to call him on audio call because he always wants to FaceTime. So I'm going to try and keep calling him because if he tries to FaceTime me, I can't FaceTime him because it doesn't look like I'm in the middle of Austria at Christmas time. So I'm going to keep trying, but I'm going to surprise him in a few days. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas with your family.
Oh, are you kidding? Look at that. That's what you asked for.
I left Capella and drove 6 hours, said like goodbye to those friends, and drove with Julie. And now I'm gonna go surprise my dad. It's New Year's Eve, so I've been at home for a week, and he doesn't know, so I'm gonna go surprise him. My light's gonna be really bad.
Oh shit! Oh no! Netherlands.
Could have sat in better lighting. This lighting is
Jasmine.
You didn't
Hey, how you going?
Hey Jules. The new year is here. And now I get to spend the first day of the year slightly hungover at the beach with my family, and it feels so good. I don't have to hide it from anyone. It was the best Christmas and New Year's I've ever had, I can happily say. You had a great New Year's and had a great time with your family and friends. Bye!